In 2026, focus on getting your watch hours and forget about subscribers. Subscribers do count, and if you can, get your watch hours, I can assure you that subscribers will follow. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easy way for you to get your watch hours. You don't have to, start uploading shorts, start uploading long videos, keep uploading at the end. You're not getting your watch hours. This is the fastest and easier way. In fact, it's as if you're trying to trick YouTube. Don't tell anyone. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you just two tips you can use, to grow your watch hours. And in just 30 days, you get monetized. Yeah, you heard me right. 30 days, you get monetized. Now, this is the trick I'm trying to apply on my channel. And I would say it is doing well on my channel. And if I keep, applying this trick, I know in no time I will get monetized. And I know that you would also get monetized if you stay to the end of the video and watch this trick I'm about to show you. So let's go. So the first thing I didn't want to do is to head over to my YouTube app. This video, you're going to say share, support, and you're also going to say live. Now, this is where we are focusing on, okay? So, you see, you're already going live now, but it has not been permanently connected. Please do not rush and just click on next, okay? There are some certain things you have to set first for it to be productive, okay? If you have a thumbnail, all you just have to do is to come here, upload a thumbnail, and you choose, okay? But we're not going for that now. Let's just take, for example, we want to use this as a thumbnail. Good. Save. Next, then you choose a title. Okay, gone are those days when you just head over to YouTube, you just click on live and boom, you're already live. There are some basic details you have to set now, okay? So this is it. Just take for example, my title is how to grow on YouTube. Please stay to the end of this video, okay? This is not the normal live streaming process. There are some things you have to apply. So please stay to the end. Next, you click no, it's not made for kids. Next, you see the screencast here. We are going to make good use of this screencast, okay? So next, you're going to enable it. Yes, we have to enable it because we're going to make good use of it. If you have a description, you want to do what to add your description and add your hashtags, okay? Make sure the tags are related to what you're doing. If I'm creating a live stream on how to grow on YouTube, I'm going to use, hashtags like YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, YouTube update policies, uh, so on and so forth. So next thing is for you to add, if you're playing a game or if you want to specialize on game, here you come here and you click on your game categories. It could be the puzzle, you see, it could be the puzzle, Tetris, brain test, whatever it is. But I don't think we're specializing on game. So let's go and do what we came here for. So you see, if you want to schedule for later, you can make good use of this, but I don't want to schedule for later. So this is it. Let's just take for example, then I'll just choose next. Okay. Got it. So the moment I click start now, it's going to start recording. Now I don't want to start recording, that's the thing. Okay. I don't want to start recording. Because if I click on this start live streaming, it's going to go on, it's going to start streaming immediately, which I don't want. So this is the thing I would advise you to do. After going on live stream, immediately you click this start now button. All you just have to do now is to come back. Please make sure you put your phone on DND, or probably you put your phone on a silent mode so calls won't come in and start interrupting your stream, because that will not be productive. Your stream is live now. If you check now, you're going to see something like if you go to your YouTube studio, you can see it's still there. What I just have to do is for me to click on this start now, but I don't want to do so. Like I said, just come over to your photos, or make sure you have a video. Please make sure that the video is not a reuse content. Make sure it's your own personal video you've made and you just want to, schedule it for your live stream. Now, the video will keep on replaying over and over again, and viewers will just have to watch, go, just like that. Now, it's as if it's a short. Take for example, I have this as my live stream, video. So I'm just going to leave it here. And meanwhile, don't forget that my YouTube channel is already on live. Okay, so I'll just have to leave it here like this, and it will keep it will start streaming. Now after it finishes, remember, after it gets to this point, it's going to start again. It gets to this point, it will start again. And don't forget that your phone is on live stream. Okay, so it finishes, it starts again, it finishes, it starts again. So you could leave it and just probably be doing anything you want to be doing. You could go maybe handle some of your other chores, you can come back, like that. So this is it. Now, please remember that going on live stream is a very efficient way for you to grow your YouTube channel. But on the other hand, so much of everything is bad. Yes, you heard me right. So much of everything is bad. Now, if you keep on going on live stream, I think YouTube will say this is not a normal way to grow on your YouTube channel. But I'll suggest something for you. After getting your watch time hours, your 4,000 watch time hours required for your YouTube monetization, I'll suggest you stop going on live. Yes. Now, there's a reason I'm saying this because YouTube loves to see creators put in the effort. YouTube loves to see creators, put in the productivity, the creativity. So YouTube will think your content is just all about life. That if you don't go on live, your channel will not be able to grow. And I would say that I've seen some kind of channels who get disapproved from getting monetization. Now you don't want that for yourself, okay? So after getting your 4,000 watch hours with using the live stream, I'll suggest you stop that. Now, in the next 1 week, make sure you are posting your long form videos. Now, please always remember that going on live stream does not mean you should not be posting on your long form videos. You need to let the YouTube algorithm get used to your long form videos. Now, for those of you who just go on live thinking that long form videos or short doesn't matter, you lie. Please always upload your long videos. Do not neglect or ignore your long videos thinking it doesn't matter. It does matter. So please upload your long videos. And like I said, once you've getting your 4,000 watch hours, stop going on live and focus on what keep on uploading long videos. So YouTube says that okay, this channel isn't just focusing on live stream. This channel is also using his or her long videos to also what to be productive on this channel on YouTube. So please bear this to heart. Okay, do not depend on live streaming. Upload your normal videos, but I think live streaming should have an higher advantage because you know that you'll be getting something beneficial from it. So I think live streaming is one of the first things you should put into consideration first. At the end, you will get your 4,000 watch hours, but still no monetization, and you don't want that for yourself. So this is the mind blowing update I have for you. If you enjoyed this video and you think that this video has helped you in one way or the other, please, the only thing you could do is to subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, and tell others what you think about this video and how far it has helped you, so others will learn from you and others will also be instigated to watch this video. Now I'm done my Filia, and yeah, I try to share tips, insights on how to grow a YouTube channel. If you like this video, like I said, subscribe. Bye.